Bhagavad Gita Bite Size Learning Episode 33 Sankhya Yoga Shloka 2 Question: Was Krishna angry when Arjuna refused to fight? Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kutastva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupastitam Anarya Jushtam Asvargyam Akirtikaram Arjuna. Sri Bhagavan said, "From where has this weakness arisen at this critical juncture? It is not noble. It will not get you to heaven, as it is disgraceful, O Arjuna." When Krishna uses the word Kashmalam, it is a strong word with the meaning such as dirt, filth, impurity, weakness and timidness. This word shows us that Sri Krishna sounds angry. He is reprimanding Arjuna. What is this behavior? Ungentlemanly, unrewarding, shameful Arjuna? Just imagine 18 Akshaunis of army are ready to fight. They are organized in a military formation. They have blown their conches, which means the war has been announced to begin. At such a juncture, Arjuna drops his weapons and refuses to fight. Arjuna was the chief organizer of the war from the Pandavas' side. He had travelled for years to put together the huge army to face the Kauravas. So many kings have come to participate in the war to lend support to the Pandavas and fight against injustice meted to them. If Arjuna refuses to lead the war at a juncture after the war has been officially announced by blowing the conches and the bugles, Arjuna is asking for defeat even before the start of the war. All human beings at all times are bound to face problems. And at times they come in loggerheads with major crisis situations in life. Then it is possible that people end up in a state of confusion and uncertainty where they tend to lose the power of decision making. We also observe in crisis people tend to run away, escape, hide, flee, avoid, evade, dodge, disappear from the scene, tell lies, and even think of giving up their life. But for Krishna and his Gita, even Arjuna has got prepared to die and in a way commit suicide. It is not surprising that we as normal humans feel confused and frightened in crisis. Krishna guides us how to face crisis, how to stay strong in difficult times, and how to achieve clarity of thought. I would like to make a special mention about equanimity, which has more than 40 appearances in the Gita. I will discuss in detail about equanimity during the course of chapter 2. Few simple contemporary examples I could quote are: if a student refuses to write the last exam of his 12th standard, a bride or a groom refuses to take the last fera, if a candidate refuses to attend his or her job interview at the last moment, how would their parents and well-wishers feel or react? It is difficult for us to imagine how Sri Krishna would have felt, as he knows for sure the war cannot be stalled now. Answering today's question, it is difficult to say whether Sri Krishna was actually angry, but it is true that Krishna reprimanded Arjuna with strong words, which we will see in the forthcoming shlokas too. Thank you for watching. Meet you soon with shloka 3 of Sankhya Yoga.